There's Bran with Gracie at the beach. Gracie! Gracie! Grace! Say hi! Gracie! There's Dr. B. Big B! And look, here's the beach's mob today. Right now, they just gave a warning to the rip tide. And look at here's some of the, a lot of people scared of skin cancer out here. They all got more tents out here than they do a camping site. See you. What are you doing? Are you putting dirt on your face? Gracie, look at me. Look at. She sits here and flips dirt all over herself.